Click on the link below to get price. The Palram Canopia Glory 8 feet x 16 feet greenhouse kit is a remarkable addition for gardening enthusiasts looking to extend their growing season and protect their plants from harsh weather elements. This greenhouse is designed for durability and functionality, making it an appealing choice for hobbyists and serious gardeners alike. One of the standout features of the Glory greenhouse is its robust structure, crafted from galvanized steel and lightweight polycarbonate panels. The frame provides excellent stability, ensuring that it withstands strong winds and heavy snowfall, while the polycarbonate panels offer UV protection, diffusing sunlight to create a gentle growing environment without the harsh glare. This combination fosters ideal conditions for plants, promoting healthy growth while minimizing the risk of scorching. Assembly of the greenhouse is relatively straightforward, thanks to the well-organized parts and clear instructions provided. While it may take a few hours to set up, the process is manageable for anyone with basic DIY skills. Once completed, the greenhouse measures an impressive 8 feet by 16 feet, providing ample space for a variety of plants, from vegetables and herbs to flowers. Ventilation is another critical aspect, and the Glory greenhouse does not disappoint. Equipped with roof vents, it allows for adequate airflow, which is essential for maintaining a stable internal temperature and humidity level. This feature is particularly beneficial during the hotter months, preventing overheating and ensuring a conducive environment for plant growth. Moreover, the greenhouse has a sleek, modern design that blends well with any backyard aesthetic. Its clear panels allow for maximum light penetration, giving your plants the sunlight they need while creating a visually appealing structure in your garden. In conclusion, the Palram Canopia Glory 8 feet x 16 feet greenhouse kit is an excellent investment for gardeners seeking quality, durability, and ease of use. It effectively balances functionality with aesthetics, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their gardening game.